Hey everybody, who wants to make some hummus? We're going to start with 3 items. These items include dried chickpeas, a measuring cup, and a pot. We're going to add 1 cup of dried chickpeas to the pot. We're going to soak them in 1 quart of water. Hello everybody. Hey, I've gathered up the ingredients that we're going to need to make the hummus. We've got granulated garlic, kosher salt, lemon juice, and tahini. We also have a stick blender to blend it with. Now if you don't have a stick blender, you can use a regular blender or do it by hand. Now as you can see in the background, I got this great prop. It was made by Miss Kelly's advisory group. We got it around winter break, along with all the other treats from the other classes and the thank you notes, and we do appreciate that. I never get a chance to thank you for it. Well, this is going to be a main prop in all of my cooking videos. Okay, we're still waiting on the chickpeas. I'll be back in a minute. Chickpeas are boiling. We're going to let them cook for a little while. I have them simmering on low. Hey everybody, those chickpeas are finally cooked. It took about an hour of simmering on the stove. Now I don't know if I pointed out that I soaked those chickpeas overnight and I rinsed them at least 3 times before I put them on the stove. And you always cook in cold water. Okay, now I'm going to start the hummus. I'm going to pour out the extra water, but I'm reserving it because we're going to need it to finish the hummus. Now, I pointed out that the hummus could be made by hand. This is how my mother used to do it. Now, I'm not going to complete the whole task like this because it'll take me a while. She would put the tahini in after the chickpeas were mashed, season it, put a little lemon juice in, and just keep doing this process until it was the texture that she wanted. We're going to start adding our ingredients. First I'm going to put that chickpea juice back in. Now normally I reserve some, but there wasn't a lot there, as you could see. There wasn't more than a cup. That's because I left it simmering on the stove without a cover. Had I covered it, we would have had a lot more liquid. So we may need to add some water, but hopefully not. I'm going to start out with some lemon juice. Some kosher salt. Some of this nice granulated garlic. And of course tahini. Okay, I'm going to plug in the stick blender and get to it. Now this is going to make a lot of noise, so I think I'll skip through this and come back when I've got most of it blended. It needs a little more tahini. And of course it's going to need more lemon. The lemon and tahini, they balance each other. Now look at that, folks. Isn't that nice and creamy? I think it came out just right. Okay, I think you guys know what time it is. It's time to eat. Well, I'm going to have a little dish of this hummus and see how good I did. Now, if you want to change things, put roasted garlic, fresh lemon in it. You can make it your own. Now, if you'd like a recipe, send me an email. sam_Mansour@careyacademy.org. I'll be happy to send you a recipe. It's on the Sage website, so I can easily get to it. Of course, it's my recipe, my mother's recipe, the hummus that you guys eat for lunch every day. All right, I think that's it. I'm going to enjoy some. See you in the dining hall.
Hey, what do you got going there?
I just made some hummus. I'm having a little snacky. I got these broccoli sticks I prepared yesterday. Well, I'm going to try my hummus. I don't want to film anymore. I'll see you later.